Welcome to Pedigree Manager video tutorials. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at the suggested doc tip module. So here's the module. This is very similar to the suggested doc name module. User can type their own tip and hit the submit button. Here, let's do that. Let's type in a test tip and click the submit button, and the tip is saved successfully. So we can choose to auto approve the tip or hold it for moderation. We can do that from the admin panel. Let's go there. So in the admin area, components, doc pedigree management, and configuration. So in the configuration area, click on the other settings, and here you will see a setting called auto approve tips. So if it's set to yes, the tip will be immediately approved as soon as the user submits it, and it will be listed in the front end. If it's set to no, right now it is set to no, so the tip will be held for moderation and an admin will need to approve it. And we can approve it from the tips manager inside the doc pedigree management administration. So let's go there, components, doc pedigree management, tips manager, and at the top you can see here is our test tip that we just entered, and it is not approved yet. So the admin just needs to click on the red button here, and the tip will be approved. Now this tip will be listed in the front end. So next let's take a look at the module parameters associated with this suggested doc tip module. Let's get back to the admin area. Extensions, module manager, and click on the suggested doc tip module. As usual, on the right hand side there are the module parameters. The first one is the show title field. So it is set to no, so there is only one field, that is the description field or the actual tip field. So if you set it to yes, it will also display a title field where user can type in the tip title. Next here is the show button. This is the submit button. Next here is the container settings. This is the invisible div that wraps the module, so you can change the width, padding, and also you can apply any custom CSS to the container. Next there is the label settings. This is the label of the fields. Right here, the tip description. This is the label. You can change its font size, weight, font color, and you can also apply your custom CSS. Then there is the title field settings. This is the text field where you type the tip title. You can change the width, height, border. You can also assign a border color and also change the font size. Plus you can apply your own custom CSS in this field. Next is the description field settings. This is the text area where you type the actual tip description. You can change the width, height, border. You can assign a border color, font size, and also type your own custom CSS for the description field. Lastly, there is the submit button settings. This is the image button that you click to submit the doc tip. You can change the padding, and you can also apply any custom CSS that you want. And at the bottom there are two locations. At the bottom there are two image locations, the location of the submit button image and also the loader, and you can use the FTP client to replace these images with your own custom images if you want. So that's all for the suggested doc tip module. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.